See how beautiful it is. I love the color black and today. Anyways, this is Ngozi's World. If it's your first time of coming through my channel, please consider subscribing, like, comment, and don't forget to click on that notification bell so anytime I upload a new video, of course, you will definitely be notified. My returning subscribers, you guys really rock. Thank you so much for always coming back to watch my video. So today's video is all about, yes, I am unboxing today, so let's see what it inside. Open it. Yeah. Right, so let's see what is inside. Yes, that's the manual. Wow, got so many blades for different chops, and that one, wow, amazing. So I'm going to shift this one a little bit, right, so you can see what I'm bringing out in this pack. Wow, can you see that, guys? Super amazing. And actually, this is another blade. I'm going to talk about this. Wow, this one is a beautiful one as well. And what's this one? Oh, right, yes, and stuff like that. So that's one, and we're going to get the almighty bottom. Yeah, that's the almighty bottom. Right, to get this one, I'm just going to put this away, okay? Yeah. So I decided to, sit down so I can do a proper review. This is the motto, yeah. So this is the motto for this whole thing, right? The blender. On here, it's got 5 functions, okay? So the first one here is the blend. The next one is the mixed blend. That one is the chop and puree. Then the other one is this as well. So this one is the fruit blend. It's really, really beautiful. Can you see how light? It's just very light. You can use it for, your smoothies. Whether it's frozen or not frozen, you can blend in here and it goes in easily. Can you see that? So you can use that, which is a very good one, okay? So it's, to me, I think is a good gadget. Another one, so this is the food processor. See how beautiful it is. I love the color black and glass-like kind of, it's got a lot of blades in it, okay, and that. So what you do is to press this to open it. Can you see that? And you take it off. Simple. And you're ready to go. Superb. So this is a beauty to have in your kitchen, okay, guys? So if you want to go for blender, please, I would advise you to go for this product, okay? So the next one is this beauty here, okay? So this can be used, I'll call it almighty as well, because this is the one that does most of the work. For people like us that like to make stew, moi moi, akara, just name it, you need this. But I love this. I just love the shape. I just love the shape, It's so beautiful. I can't just wait to start using it straight away. Let me just talk you through how to open it, okay? So can you see that here? Can you hear that sound? Okay, once that sound comes up, this goes up as well, and that's your blender open. Okay, really beautiful, really beautiful. It's really beautiful. And also put that, and it's got this section. After blending, you can just use this and just pour off whatever you need to pour off from there. Okay, so it's really beautiful, and I love the way, I just love everything about this blender. Something here which will surprise you guys. Yeah, so this one, you can do, get your fruit done, get this off, get your food and on the go. It is on the go. You can take this, you're going to office and you've got your smoothies in here, you can just add it and there you go, on the go. You can use this on the go as well, you know, and that's a good one. I love it. I love it. I love it. So yeah, we're still on it. I still have some other things that I need to show you guys. Right, I need to figure out what this is, okay, because I've not used this product before. I need to figure out what here is extra blade. That's an extra blade. I don't know where this one will go in because the one on here shows more of aluminum and plastic in there, and I guess it will be this one as well, shows aluminum and plastic as well. So this one is more or less plastic, okay. I think it will go in either of this one or that one. So I'll figure out where this will go. Wow, this is so beautiful, and I really don't know where this will go. I have to read the manual. Let's see, reversible disc, flip for shredding. Okay, so this one, if you want to shred your whatever, carrots, name them, you can use this. And I guess it goes in here because that is where it fits, isn't it? So it will go in there. So if you want to shred anything, you use this to do the shredding. So this is really beautiful. Wow, like I said, it's got so many functions and it says 3-in-1. I can't wait to use this gadget. It's a beauty to have in your kitchen. Note, this is not a paid advert. It's something that I personally went for and I decided to unbox and also review this product. It is something you need to have. So if you're going for blenders, go for something worth the money, okay? Don't go buy blender, you buy after 3-4 months, it goes bad and you spend another one before the year runs out. You've spent more than the money you're supposed to use to buy these beauties. So yes guys, this is all it is. Beauty gadget in your kitchen. What are you waiting for? Go get one, okay? Ninja products are always ninja, you know what it is. Before we go for today, we have this menu book as well that gives you lots of food ideas and cook, okay, with this gadget. And of course, you have your own food that you want to make, is not a problem, but this is good. You need to buy this. You need to take a look at the food in here. They are gorgeous, they are beautiful food. The manual, okay, they've got the manual, ninja manual, to tell you how to operate this gadget and the functions of your gadget. Like I said, these gadgets, again, I'm going to lift it, are a beauty to have in your kitchen. And yes, of course, if this is your first time of coming through my channel, what are you waiting for? Please consider subscribing, like, comment, and don't forget to click on that notification bell so you get notified anytime I upload a new video. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video and hope to see you in my next video. Bye bye.